Hoy, go potty, Casey. Go potty, Bella. Go potty. Go. Parang lasing eh. Kabilis eh. Pag si Desi yan, Diyos ko, ilang... Bella. Maghahanap pa yan ng spot. A pretty Bella. There's Candy. You gonna go potty too. She loves potty in the rocks. Uh-oh, si Itchy. Come on, Bella. You done? Huh? Come on. It's cold. Come on. Come on, Bella. There's moon. Uy. Ano oras na? Alas 10 na yata eh. Yan si Candy, pumasok na. This is their new doggy door. It's gonna be cold soon, so Monkey Puwing block the door. To block the snow. Ay, ambot sa English. Come on, Bella. Come in. Let's go. Let's see if she use the... Casey. No? Go. Use the doggy door, Casey. Use the doggy door. Ang bilis, alas 4 eh. Let's wait for Bella. There she is. She's coming. Let's see. Let's see. It's hard for her to find the doggy door. There she is. She's coming. She's coming. There she is. Good job, Bella. Good girl. Ayan. Well, she slept there at every night because she's old, senior, and she peed all over the house. So every night she slept there. And then, if we're at home, she sleeps there. And if I'm in bed, she sleeps there till I get out from bed. Huh, Bella? And Candy. Oy, my clothes is done. Shout out to all my friends. Upload lang. Sis Laro, thank you. Upload lang pag para sa WH. Thank you all. YouTube friends, Facebook friends. Update from my roses. It's still alive. This one, still okay. Saved from the cold. Oh, this one is still okay. Let me turn on this. Oops, hindi naka-plug in. Tinanggal ni Monkey Puwing. Let's check this one. Oops. Uy, look at that. Woohoo! Sana magbulaklak at nang mabenta. Yes, guys. Nagninegosyo ang lola habang mabenta kasi dito, guys, yung mga mga bulaklak kasi ginagawang oo, yung heater umaandar na. Ginagawang pang regalo. I will check this one. Still alive. Ito mukhang ano na. Dead. Let's see this one. Oh boy, it's so hard to grow roses, guys, you know. Let's see. Ah, it's dead. All dead. I've been trying this one. Let me see. Ay, ay, ay. Kasakit sa mata man itong... Ah! Green pa siya. Ay, ay, ay. Ayan, nag-mold na. Tudas! But this one, look at that. Okay, I will turn on this one to help them. So this one goes to cementerio. Ayan. Ayan, benta ko yan 500. 10 dolyares yan, guys. Ito, avocado, may tubo na. Okay, see. Ayan. Yung iba, buhay pa. Ang iba, tigok na. Ayan, oh, buhay, oh. Agoy, kailangan ko ng heater dito. Hirap guys. Magbuhay ng rose pag may snow. Ayan, pag binidyohan ko siya, maghihinto siya. Ayan, buhay pa. Yung ang kaputol, tudas na. Ito, tudas. Ayan, buhay pa. Ito. Naku. Ito. Aha, look at that. Balik natin. Baka mapugian. Oops. All dead. 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 Ay, ay, ay. Dead or alive. Ito. Tudas. Itong isa. Pwede pa. Let's see. You know. Ayun pa. Okay, I need to check this one too. Tadaan! Oh, ha? Okay. Ilawan natin. Oops. Yan. Okay pa siya. Baka sakali. Oh, ha? Ito. Well, let's see this one. Tatapon ko na naman to doon sa labas. Uy! Buhay! I can see the flying insects. Lagot na yan kay Monkey Puwing pag nakita yan. Whoops! It's alive! Oh! Maybe the heater here really helps. I need to turn on. But you know, electricity. Uy! Kamahal. Electricity dito. Sisingilin ako ng Monkey Puwing. Ayan. Okay pa siya. Lilipat ko to doon sa Okay guys, thank you for watching. I will put it there. And turn on this. Yan, may heater. Baka sakaling makatulong din ang heater. Ay, ay, ay na lang talaga. Ayan. Turun ka dyan. Ito dito. Oh, ha? Tanggalin natin. Yan. Ito, ano lang yan eh. Yung bato, makatulong yan sa siguro. Hula. Ayan, it's still green. Yung heater, mainit, Dapat dito yan nakaharap sa plants ko. Ayan, mainit dito, lumalabas. Kaya lang magagalit si Monkey Puwing pag wala siya. Lagay natin dyan. Hindi, wait lang. Meron namang init dito eh. Bakit pa? Ayan, dyan na lang. Oh, ha? Tignan natin. Okay, bye, guys. Bye, Casey. Bye, Candy. Say bye. Candy? Where Bella? Sleeping? Huh? Oh, Bella, Bella. And Casey, Casey. You want some bacon? You want some bacon? Huh?